Ford asked me to unlearn everything I know about mobility and create something like I've never built before. You wanted me to fly, so I've made this. It has no steering, it has no brakes, it's got 2 accelerators and not even a seat. But can someone with no engineering qualifications and no experience of flying make something that actually leaves the ground? It's the Colin Firth hoverbike! It's the most outrageous thing I've ever ridden. It's been an interesting project. Feeling lift for the first time was such a strange feeling. There have been many different designs and shapes of frames. We've tied up all sorts of different ideas, we've hacked bits off, we've added some bits on, until eventually we started seeing some results and it started to get off the ground. Then I had to learn to ride it, try and control it, which of course didn't always go that smoothly. Broke it again. That's proper broke it that time. Controlling this thing at all is a small miracle, but with a little bit of practice you can start to tame it. We had various ideas of adding some stability controls to it, but we just didn't have the payload. It only just lifts me off the ground, we couldn't add any extra weight. But this is why I chose to do the hoverbike. The whole unlearned philosophy is to try new things and go in new directions. I definitely think I'm doing that with this, which made me think, this is kind of futuristic. I have an idea. So, for a plumber and a few weeks in his shed, I don't think I've done too bad, have I? Cheers, Ford. Cheers.